Tim, a curious young boy with a knack for adventure, found himself rummaging through his grandmother's attic one afternoon. Among the old dusty boxes and forgotten trinkets, he stumbled upon a small ornate key covered in years of neglect. Intrigued, Tim pocketed the key, convinced it held the promise of something extraordinary. Determined to uncover its purpose, he decided to explore the house in search of the matching lock. Tim began his quest by systematically checking each room. He inspected furniture, explored closets, and even examined the basement, but nothing seemed to match the key. Frustration began to set in until he noticed an old, weathered tapestry in the hallway. Pulling it aside, Tim discovered a hidden door camouflaged against the wall. Heart-pounding, he inserted the key and turned it. With a soft click, the door creaked open to reveal a narrow staircase spiraling downward. Tim descended the stairs, each step echoing in the silence. At the bottom, he found himself in a dimly lit room filled with shelves of dusty books, old photographs, and peculiar objects. It was a forgotten part of the house, long abandoned but holding a treasure trove of his family's history. Tim spent hours sifting through the items, each one revealing a snippet of his ancestors' lives. He found letters that told stories of love and hardship, photographs capturing moments of joy and sorrow, and journals detailing dreams and ambitions. It was as though he had stumbled into a tangible museum of his heritage.